I do consider myself a library nerd because I got all teary-eyed walking in here today. It just moved me that there's so many people celebrating the love of books and what you guys have all created here. It's just amazing. So
I love it. The space, the beautifulness, the people coming together in the community. I'm really enjoying myself today.
I like how it's big.
I like the way that they treat me here at this library. But, and I could depend on this library. I don't have to depend on nobody else but this library.
2011, I became homeless. And what happened was I was led here. So through connections, through the homeless community connections. I'm a big reader, I learn a lot. So this was the perfect place for me.
The arts.
And to see what this place was really like and to see how it's grown and to be what it is today. And let you know that, yeah, your dad, even though I've traveled the world and here I find myself again falling in love with the place, has always been a love of my life.
I think we're really looking forward to the opportunities to dig into the archives that are available here, the different points throughout history that have been captured and saved by the library system. But there's also a lot of opportunities to gather and share history, get people excited for what it means to be a Cincinnatian today that's working for justice.
I like the elevators.
The first time I remember coming to this library, it was in the summer of '74, which would be like almost 50 years ago. We were blown away because we went, at the time our library was, we were still going to it was the Bonham branch, I think, in Wyoming. And I've been going there since I can remember. But to come into this place, I remember, it just jaw-dropping, blew my mind, man. I mean, they had records, You could check out books and records. They had the whole Roald Dahl collection.
I love my library. I love my library.
And that's all I like about it.
When you first come in here, it's friendly, it's lovely, you can feel the vibe. It's so strong from everybody. They got a good vibe and it makes you want to stay.
I think it's just it's like a centerpiece of like a society and like a city. As a kid, like we were always at the library because it was like free and accessible.
I love it.
We love the library.
Oh my God, I'm loving it. It's spacious, it's airy, it smells clean, and it's vibrant. It's a vibe that it's like electrifying.
Yeah, Taylor Swift. Could we go see Taylor Swift after? Taylor Swift. That's what we're going to see.
It's beautiful. It's beautiful. And there's so much history embedded in it and things even to discover that were here before, that I didn't know were here before. So it's phenomenal. It's a great thing for the city.
Thanks for this celebration. This is really off the chain.
Just the friendly people and all the books. I used to go to the Cincinnati room on the 3rd floor, just to learn, about the opening day parades and just some of the history of Cincinnati. I always had a thirst for knowledge, so I just live at a library.
Library, what do you like about it?
What do you like about the library? Do you like the stairs? How they're all colorful?
I like the rainbow stairs. I like the all the way downstairs, the bridge, and I like where you can do the arts. The art, that's my favorite part.
I also really admire the space and admire the variety of everything here. I think it's really cool that there's I was over there wanting a genealogy section. And then, I wonder if you're like, okay, Story Center, what's this? It's it's a place where you can read about stories people have written, stories people have experienced, and then be able to make your own stories. And I really admire that.
We love the library.
Well, anything else you want to share?
That's it.
Okay. Thanks, Miles. I appreciate you. Thank you.
Good job.